My name is Schweber Bani, and I am the senior attorney and founder of Medicaloi. We work principally in the domains of commercial law, corporate law, and tax planning for healthcare professionals and entrepreneurs. I'd like to introduce you to the team.
Hi, my name is Medicaloi and I work at Medicaloi in all operational and transactional fields, which consist in drafting contracts and supporting you in the purchase and the selling of your companies.
Hi, my name is Stacy Minimi. I'm a corporate paralegal for over 5 years now. I work mainly with incorporation of new professional corporation. I do the annual update of those corporations, and I support lawyers with their contract, leases, shareholder agreement, and corporate search.
Hi, my name is Maria Nero. I'm a corporate paralegal for over 40 years. I work at Medicaloi with healthcare professionals and with entrepreneurs in their corporations. I upkeep their corporate records. I support lawyers with all transactions, including shareholders agreements, reorganizations, sales, and other transactions involving leases.
At Medicaloi, we work principally in 3 domains. We work in the domain of commercial law, corporate law, and tax planning. In other words, what this means is that we work with contracts, we work with buying and selling of clinics and businesses, and we work in the sphere of tax planning to optimize your structures in order to keep as much money in your pocket as possible. So the types of cases that I work principally on are mergers and acquisitions, meaning buying and selling of businesses and clinics. Another level of work that I do at Medicaloi is corporate restructuring and tax planning. This can be split into 2 portions. The first portion will be restructuring in anticipation of a sale, and the second portion will be restructuring in anticipation of succession planning. I'd like to invite Teddy to discuss a little bit more about the incorporation step and the maintenance of the minute books.
The incorporation. First of all, we start with the incorporation of your professional company. Whether is it for you, doctor, dentist, health professional. But not only that, we work more and more with all type of professional and entrepreneur. If needed, we're going to support you with the registration of your corporation with Revenu Québec. We will do the annual update of your corporation, and we will keep up to date your company's information with the public registers.
Next, I'd like to introduce you to Leal, who will speak to you about contracts and mergers and acquisitions.
The next level is the contractual component, which consists of assisting you in the negotiation, the reviewing, and the drafting of a service contract, a subcontract, a partnership agreement, a share purchase agreement, or any other types of contract, such as a commercial lease. Then there's also a transactional component, which consists of mergers, acquisition, and the sale of your business, such as a dental or a medical clinic. Our job is to assist you through the negotiation, the analysis, and the drafting of the documents. We will even accompany you to the bank to set up your trust account or to obtain financing. For many healthcare professionals, purchasing or selling a clinic represent a major steps in their life. As a lawyer, I feel accomplished when I assist them through this whole complicated and stressful process. But my biggest satisfaction is when the same client reaches out to us again, because it's not just a question of legal work that was completed. It's a question of trust that was built with the client to accompany them through this process.
So why do clients hire Medicaloi? Not only are we focused on the legal aspect of the file, but we're also focused on the business aspect of the file. Principally, we are business lawyers and tax lawyers, the result of which is that our business consulting is an integral part of the legal strategy that is implemented for each client file. We want to be viewed as your business partner from a silent capacity, so that we can be leaned upon when issues come up, not only legally, but also in the context of the day-to-day management of the business. So how important is communicating with the client? I would say that it is essential, and communicating with the client on a regular basis is the best way to keep the client at ease in the context of the transaction or in the context of any restructuring of their current structure. Particularly when it comes to sensitive matters like succession planning, keeping them abreast of the situation is ideal. So our goal is to be as communicative as possible, and we try to respond within 24 hours to every correspondence, whether it's an email, a text message, or a phone call. So what makes our firm different from other firms? It's really a question of planning. We view the initial plan that must adapt at every stage as an essential part of your project. So it's not just a question of having a legal plan in place, but also a plan of marrying that legal plan to a business plan. And so as a result, we again view ourselves as silent business partners for each of our clients. I often get asked the question if I'm going to be handling your case personally. And the response to that is that we have a team at Medicaloi. Each member of our team will be involved in your file in order to ensure that you are able to achieve the results that you're looking for.
If you're looking at this video and you're wondering, where can I find some legal assistance? Stop. Come to us, Medicaloi. Don't hesitate. You can find all our information on our website, medicaloi.com. You will find our phone numbers, email address, and all our social media.
So what can you expect from your initial consultation? Well, the first objective is to gather as much information as possible. From there, we develop an initial plan and then guide you step by step throughout the entire process. And this plan will change over time. And our objective at that point is to ensure that the plan helps you to arrive at a satisfactory conclusion.